Nagbike-bike lang. Oh my God, ang daming insekto. Bike lang habang day off pa. At on call si Mac. Tumawag, gustong ma-on call lang. Dami mong pera, sisa. Lagi kang nagpapa-on call na lang, oh.
Bring the bottle tonight. Red wine to rerun all our memories right. It's just a matter of time before your cheeks turn into peaches and the stars realize.
Hey guys, so dumuan muna kami sa grocery and bumili ng butter kasi magluluto ako ngayon ng chicken wings with parmesan. So kailangan ko ng butter para sa sauce niya, kaya try na naming umuwi. Medyo pagod na rin ako para makapagluto na. Pero maaga pa naman, magpa-5 pa lang. So let's go! Ano pang bibilhin natin? Sana. Buti na lang nakasale yung butter ngayon ah. Hey guys! So, we are back home and magpre-prepare lang ako ng chicken. Ayan, parang kinukuha na ata ako ng langit. Magpre-prepare lang ako guys ng chicken wings. I have here, ito, konti lang naman, mga 6 pieces lang siguro. Ito lang, para lang sa amin ni Mac. Pagod pa ako. Pero, unang step kasi siya is, ibuboil ko lang siya, then lalagyan ko na ng ibang pampalasa, and then tsaka ko siya i-bake. So, simulan na natin, guys!
I can be your third man dog. Just a something you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television on. Set me in the corner now. Technicolor's your bed, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations will silently pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around. You tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. More in pieces inside you pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that. I want you to dream about. You smoking out the window. Oh, darling Geppetto, I'm wishing on a star too. Go legs and start talking. Walking right beside you. Cut off the strings and put me down. Tell me what I'm missing. Oh, I never listen to the crickets on my shoulder.
Man natin guys kung luto na ba ito or check natin. Iano ko na lang ng tinidor. Kung wala na bang dugo-dugo. Dapat ito yung pinapakita ko sa inyo pero yung mukha ko talaga pala yung naka... Ay, okay na to. May konting dugo-dugo. May... Parang hindi nga to dugo actually. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look at that. Dugo ba yan? Hindi na yan dugo, diba? Sorry. May ano pa ng tomato sauce yung tinidor ko. Hindi na siya dugo. So, ayan. Okay na. Pinatay ko na rin naman yung apoy. So, aahunin ko lang para ma-dry na siya. Para ready na siya. Bibake ko sana pero nakita ko tong oven dito. Wala siyang ano. Wala yung ibang parts niya. Yung parang ano lang ang meron. Parang yung drying rack lang niya or yung cooling rack lang ang meron. Wala yung parang pang salo ng liquid. Ayokong i-bake to na walang ganun kasi mahirap maglinis ng oven. I-air fry ko na lang. Wala pa siya masyadong lasa pero hindi siya malansa dahil dun sa bay leaves tsaka sa thyme na nilagay ko. Grabe ang bango. I love it. Sana hindi pumalpak to.
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger. And your mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure out what it be like to be. What it be like to be. What it be like to be.
Ano yung si ano eh. Ba't di na tayo na nagsasarong? Kami nga eh.
One step is two steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me. But it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. Kind of danger when my mind starts to wander.
4 cups, so we're gonna add 2 of this. 1/2 cup of butter. Salted.
Thinking of every mistake, sick of the give and the take. Hey, so what is new? Just waiting in queue.
Yay!
You done on me what we done on you. It's hard to forget, but I get
OMG. Like,
trying to be strong and yet I still lose. Oh no, I'll never
like,
ever get it.
can you hear that?
Back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I like what I find. Intervention coming from what must be divine, divine, divine. Yeah, I forgive you for the things that you're not sorry.
Parsley. Pang garnish lang yan.
I forgive the way
And then, thyme for the flavor and scent. And now, lagay na natin yung parmesan, grated parmesan. Siguro mga 1 cup. Mahigit.
so rare, so rare. I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from what must be divine, divine, divine. I forgive you for the things that you're not sorry for.
Ang sarap!
Forgive the way you always.
Tikman natin! Ay, gusto ko to. Tikman natin. Sarap. Crispy. Kaya na tayo mga? Spray.
River flows one direction, and fishes they follow the flow. But what if one tried to mention that there was much more to explore? Here I am, I have a plan, I'm living free, don't know where I'll end.
Hey guys, so that's it for this vlog. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Ito lang naman yung ginagawa namin kapag day off. Linis, ayos, luto, mag-bike, kung ano-ano lang. So yun guys, thank you so much. Oh my God, may kanin ako dito sis. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo and we'll see you guys on the next vlog. So punta muna tayo sa shoutout for this vlog. Hey everyone, thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng ating vlog na mag-shoutout po tayo sa mga nag-comment po sa ating vlog na preparing for camping and cleaning the house. Ayan. So, shoutout po kay Ronnie Caberto, Alisa Esguera, Ibrahim Hailil, Filipina Life Living in USA, Frederick Fernandez, and kay Marlon Arienza. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for commenting and sa pag-support po sa aming vlog. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia. At yun lang po, salamat ng marami sa pag-support po sa amin sa mga vlogs po namin. At sa panonood ng ibang contents namin on our Instagram and on my Facebook. Ayan. Salamat po and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!
Afternoon sun starts to peek through the clouds. We take the back streets to avoid the crowds. Waltz over sidewalks and twirl in the breeze. She'll catch me if I get